Hey, it's Mr. Leatherwood, and today we're going to review multiplying fractions. And in my opinion, multiplying fractions is one of the easiest operations because you don't have to find common denominators like you do when you add and subtract. And there's no flipping or anything like that. So, let's take a look. Our first one is 3/4 times 5/6. And the reason I think it's really easy is because we are just going to go straight across. I'm going to multiply 3 times 5, so I'm going to multiply the numerator times the numerator, and I'm going to multiply 4 times 6. So 3 times 5 equals 15, and 4 times 6 equals 24. And the hardest part about this is just going to be simplifying if we need to. We could simplify this one, so we'll go ahead and practice that. So let's scale down. We need a common factor between these two. So if I want 15 and 24, 1 times 15, 3 times 5, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So let's look for things that they have in common. 3. I think that's it. So we're going to divide by 3. We're going to scale down by 3. 3 over 3, which is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 24 divided by 3 is 5. So we're going to get 5/8. But you see the actual multiplication part of it is pretty simple. We just go straight across. Let's try one with a mixed number, which makes it a little trickier. So we have 2 3/4 times 1 5/6. Now you could break this up and do like partial products. For instance, I could do 2 times 1 and 2 times 5/6, and do 3/4 times 1 and 3/4 times 5/6, which will get you the same answer as what I'm about to do, but I think what I'm about to do is a little easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these into improper fractions. Y'all should know how to do that now, but just in case, I'm going to do 4 times 2, and then I'm going to add 3. So 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is going to change to 11/4. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do 6 times 1, which is 6, plus 5. So I'm going to do 11/6. And then I'm going to multiply straight across again. 11 times 11, if I'm right, is 121. If I'm not, I'm sorry for messing up, but I think that's right. And then I'm going to do 4 times 6, which is 24. Now here's the hard part. You'll notice my answer is an improper fraction. So in order to get it how we want, we need it into a mixed number. So we're going to do 121 divided by 24. It should be, I think 5. Let's see. 24 times 5, and I think it's 1 left over. And I'm cheating with a calculator, so don't feel bad. So I think it's 5 and 1 over 24. So our answer is going to be ending up like that. But again, you can see how the multiplication portion of it, you're just going straight across. Your numerator times your numerator, your denominator times your denominator. And when you have a mixed number, I think it's important to switch it from your mixed number to improper, then multiply, and then simplify, turn it back into a mixed number. And I think that's the easiest way to do it. So this is just a review, so we're not going huge into in depth here, but maybe try a couple and see how you do before class.